Hi guys, if you need to disconnect your WhatsApp account from your Facebook business page, there are two ways how you do it. Let me show you this. Let's go. The first way is disconnecting from Facebook. So open the Facebook application and tap on your profile icon at the top right. Now tap on this arrow to switch accounts. You need to switch to your page account. Switch to your page account. Once again, tap on the profile icon. Go to your page, close this, scroll down and tap on See More over here. Now scroll down until you see WhatsApp option, connect WhatsApp business account, tap on that. And here you can just tap on Remove and remove your account from the Facebook. And the second option is to disconnect from WhatsApp. So let's open the WhatsApp application. Next, tap on the Tools tab. Scroll all the way down until you see Facebook and Instagram, tap on that. Now tap on the small arrow next to your Facebook account name. And here you see small 3 dots, tap on 3 dots and remove WhatsApp. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to Guide Mentory, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.